Adivasi vegetable vendors issue. Songarh being a taluka with a 98% Adivasi population, it is only fair that the Adivasi vegetable vendors have a permanent and proper place in the town market. Non-availability of basic amenities in the villages. Representing their matter to the tribal sub-plan to get allocation of money for wells, roads, irrigation and lift irrigation facilities. Unorganized Workers Union, Sugarcane Cutters Rights. Forest Tillers Rights Act. In Uchchal, Umarpada, Mandvi and Songarh talukas, information was given to these villages about the Forest Tillers Rights Act. Legal aid. Another very important activity of the Shakti LHRC Trust is to provide legal counseling, conducting out-of-the-court settlements and also sometimes providing legal aid. Legal counseling. A lot of common people come to Shakti LHRC with no understanding of how they can solve their various problems. They are initially made to feel at ease and then patiently listened to. Then advice is given and most often problems get resolved in this initial stage itself.
અમુક કેસોમાં અમે લોકોને સમજાવીએ છીએ, માર્ગદર્શન આપીએ છીએ, એ જોઈને અમને ખૂબ આનંદ થાય છે. લોકો આવી રીતના અહીંયા આવીને એ લોકોને માર્ગદર્શન મળે તો મફતમાં મળે છે. બીજી જગ્યાએ જાય તો એ લોકોને ખર્ચા થાય છે.
મારું નામ નવલભાઈ શ્રેયાભાઈ ગામિત, જામખડી ગામનો વતની છું, તાલુકો સોનગઢ, જિલ્લો સુરત, જિલ્લો તાપી. હું કાનૂની સલાહકાર તરીકે કામ કરું છું અને આવા કાનૂની કેસો એટલે કે લગ્ન તકરારના, જમીન તકરારના અને લેવડ દેવડના સિવિલ કેસો જેવા આવે છે અને આવા કેસો માટે હું સલાહ આપી રહ્યો છું અને લોકોને સલાહ આપી અને કેસ નોંધીને કાયદેસરની કાર્યવાહી એટલે કે લોકોને સમજાવવા માટે ઘણી કોશિશ કરું છું અને આ જ રીતે હું ગામડામાં પણ જાઉં છું અને ગામડામાં પણ આવા કેસો હોય છે. અમારા સમાજના કેસો માટે અમે પંચો, વડીલો, સરપંચ જેવાના આગેવાનોને લઈને બેસીને એનો ગામડામાં પણ સમાધાન કરીએ છીએ.
Out of court settlement. These cases are regularly held in all the talukas at the various centers of Shakti LHRC. Practicing Adivasi lawyers make efforts to settle matters between parties amicably, without being partial to any one side. After making both parties understand and see the real problem, we try and revitalize the old punch system. These out-of-court settlements save time, energy and money of both the parties and ultimately also preserves family ties, bringing them even closer to each other in mutual respect. A sample case. Taraben of Uchchal village came to our center and complained that both her brothers had not given her the rightful share of property which her father had given her 45 years back. Her father had given her 3 acres of land. But as soon as her father expired, her brothers took away the land from her, which she had been tilling for over 15 years. To get her land back, she made an application at the Shakti LHRC office. Her brothers were invited to come for a meeting to settle this issue. After listening to both parties and their elders, they were advised to come to a compromise to do justice to their long-suffering sister. The brothers took a month's time to think about this. And then, in the presence of their elders and the Sarpanch, the long discussions concluded in a compromise where both the brothers decided to give their sister 1 acre each. She accepted very happily.
कि तुम्हारा जो जागो है ने तो तुम्हारा बोही लेके कर देता है बोही ला मगे आज ने तुम्हारा खुशी थी तुम्हारे जागो मिलेगी ले आमी तुम्हारे आज मते काज के दारे मंदू के नहीं रखनो एक बीजा को जाए एक बीजा रेनो हारे थे जागो के नो हारे थे तुम्हें रहनो।
LHRC takes up various cases: marriage disputes, maintenance cases, property cases, cases relating to money transactions involving buying, selling, borrowing, lending, standing as surety, atrocity cases, bribery cases, complaints of high-handedness of the police department, complaints against forest department or some government official with regard to getting some documents or getting the entitlement to some government welfare scheme. The team at Shakti LHRC is very clear not to indulge in frivolous cases and putting forward PILs in the name of the trust. It prepares the people for it and patiently waits for the concerned party to get ready to take up the case. It's only when the aggrieved party is prepared to be named as the concerned party in the PIL application that LHRC proceeds forward in the matter. POs, People's Organizations. Shakti LHRC plays an important role to support existing POs and helps form new POs in the new areas. The trust also helps the POs to use the training given to them in a useful and practical way. Since the year 2000, LHRC has been keenly engaged in the work of forming POs, expanding and consolidating them in the districts of Surat and Tapi. With the training that LHRC provides the PO leaders, the members can now go to different government departments confidently to represent their matters and get work done for themselves and for others as well. As a result of these efforts made by Shakti LHRC, its training programs and the untiring frontline efforts of the POs, many problems and issues were resolved and plenty of successes reported. LHRC and the Adivasi identity. Shakti LHRC and the POs, along with the cultural teams, regularly come together to organize cultural get-togethers and melavas. These occasions are when the Adivasi community comes together in a spirit of sharing, making a proud display of their traditions and folklore. This is when all problems and difficulties are put aside and spontaneous bursts of activities are taken up to give expression to the innate artistic and creative abilities of the Adivasi community. Many travel under difficult conditions for hours so that they can share a common platform with their community members in a pulsating spirit of sheer joy and fellowship. This festive occasion puts on display a riot of colors, enchanting dances, zestful music and beating of tribal drums, a myriad of costumes, the drama of folk competitions, all coming together in an explosion of Adivasi pride, dignity and honor. The slogan Jai Adivasi, Jago Adivasi, coined by the Shakti LHRC and its POs, is resoundingly heard from the smallest village to the nearby towns and cities. It is a form of greeting and is lovingly and proudly used by all Adivasis.
जय आदिवासी, जय आदिवासी.
The Adivasis, Dal